Today we'll talk about the Kyowa box fan. I purchased this from Lazada for about 1,000 pesos or about 20 US dollars. So what comes with this box fan, or what's the specs of this box fan? So it says here the model is KW-6900. Voltage is 230, 48 watts, made in China. So, yep, made by Kyowa. The box fan comes with a user manual. So this is the user manual. And some service centers from Kyowa as well listed here. So most are like Tronics related. Tronics, Manila, Santa Cruz, Alabang, and a few provinces, Cavite, Cebu, Davao, and the likes. This is the box fan. This is the actual box fan. I just took this out from the box. So this is the box fan. So the plastic is quite sturdy. So that's the front and sides. This is the back. And if you can see here, Kyowa. So that's the specs and the serial number. And underneath the box is basically this, the plastic stand. So it's a sturdy one. So let's try using I'll turn on the fan right now. So this is one. This is the speed one. This moves, right? You could also stop this from moving. So it also comes with a timer here for 60 minutes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is the lowest speed, one speed. That's the sound of it, one. This is the second speed. Much louder. This is the third speed. The third one is the loudest. Second is this. First is this. First, second, third. 0. That's the off switch. First, second, third. It's pretty strong. Look at this piece of paper. Class. That's for the highest setting. This is the medium setting. Low setting. Lowest setting. And highest. The highest one. Pretty sturdy product, yeah. Highly recommended. Yeah. Sturdy one. This is a much better box fan than the ones that I could see on the Lazada, like the unframed ones, which cost about 300 to 400 pesos. So just for about $10 more, you could get a more decent one and a more stronger and more durable one. Yeah, thank you.